In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the data folder on MetaTrader 5. Whether you're delving into the world of forex trading or just getting started, knowing how to access the data folder can be incredibly useful. This folder stores all the personal data related to your trading setups, such as indicators, profiles, scripts, and more. So, let's explore this simple yet crucial process together. First, you need to have MetaTrader 5 open. MetaTrader is a powerful trading platform, and being familiar with its interface will make this process much smoother. Once you launch MetaTrader, you'll immediately notice its user-friendly layout, which is designed to provide traders with the information they need at their fingertips. If this is your first time using MetaTrader, take a few moments to familiarize yourself with its environment. The platform might seem a bit overwhelming at first, with its charts, number-driven table zones, and a plethora of options, but don't worry, navigating to what we need is straightforward. Now, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your MetaTrader window. You will see a menu bar running across the top. This bar is where you can access different functionalities and settings within the platform. Here, you'll want to look for the menu labeled File. This menu is key to accessing deeper parts of the MetaTrader system, and it consistently remains at one of the most accessible parts of your screen, no matter which tab you've navigated to. Clicking on File will open a drop-down menu with several options. As you do this, notice how the other options expand. This is where some of the options might be unfamiliar if you haven't poked around here before, but rest assured, this drop-down holds the path to what we're looking for. Scroll down, or perhaps even directly scan the list, until you see the Open Data Folder option. Clicking on this will take you directly to the heart of MetaTrader's operational files. Upon selecting Open Data Folder, a File Explorer window will pop up displaying a variety of folders and files. This is your MetaTrader 5 data folder, a critical part of understanding where your trading elements are stored. You might see folders labeled MQL5, Config, Profiles, and others, each serving its unique purpose. For instance, MQL5 is where you'll find scripts and expert advisors, while Profiles could house your saved trading setups. At this point, feel free to explore the components within these folders, but do so with caution. Altering or deleting certain files without proper knowledge can have significant effects on how your MetaTrader functions. Now that you know how to locate the data folder, you'll be able to easily back up your data and customize your trading environment with confidence. And there you have it. Finding your data folder in MetaTrader 5 is as simple as that. Remember, this little skill is just one of many you'll pick up and refine as you journey through the world of trading. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps make your trading endeavors a bit more seamless.